Hi everybody, I'm Leslie here from Southern California, and today I'm going to do the tutorial to Fever Dream. I did the demo yesterday, so you can find that. Now this dance is 48 counts, it's an intermediate level, 2 walls and 3 restarts. The choreographer is KARL, WINSON, and the music is by Alex Warren. So let's get going. Here we go. 2 walks forward. 1, 2, mambo, half a pivot behind, side, front. Again, we go right, left, right mambo, half, a quarter, behind, side, front. And those halves go left foot out over the left shoulder. We go back over that left shoulder, a quarter of a pivot, and we're here, and then the behind, side, front. So all together with the counts we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now we have a second set of 8, and we do a little ball on the count of ball, and we do a rock recover, and 1, 2. We step the left out to the side, tap, right out to the side, tap, left with a pivot and a point, another pivot, put the weight on that right foot, and step, pivot, across. So that is a little complicated, I know. We have right, ball, left, rock, recover right, left, tap the right, right, tap the left, quarter, point the right, step onto the right with a pivot, and then step, pivot, cross. So the counts for that start on the and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, going on, the third set of 8, we're going to take the right foot forward with a rock recover on the diagonal. Rock, recover. We're going to do a behind, side, front, like a weave, right, left, right. We're going to do a rock recover on the left, on the diagonal, and then we're going to go behind, quarter, forward. So that is, again, we have our weight on the left leg, right leg free. Rock, recover, weave. Rock, recover, behind, quarter, forward. And the weight is on the right leg. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going on, we have step forward with the right, half a pivot. We're going to do a lock step, taking it halfway around the room, back to face 9 o'clock. Step back, cross the left, step back. And then we're going to do a coaster step and a step pivot. One more time with that. We've got the weight on the left leg. We go step, half a pivot, lock it for a half, and then coaster step and a step pivot, weight on the left leg. With counts, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Right, shall we add that on? Let's add that on to our rock recover with the right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock recover, behind, side, front. Rock recover, behind, quarter step. Step pivot. A lock back, a coaster step, and a step pivot. Now this next step is a little tricky, and it's the whole 8 counts. I'm going to turn the other way so that you can probably follow it better. We're going to tap, step, heel, step, cross, step, heel, step, tap, step, heel, step, cross, open, out, open, recover. That's actually a mambo at the end there. Let me do it again for you. It starts on the count of and. 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, I'll do it facing you. So we have right foot, tap, step, left foot heel, left foot down, right foot across, left foot out, right foot heel, right foot step, left foot in, left foot out, right foot heel, right foot step, across and out, recover. That little one there at the end is a samba step. Cross, open together. Not cross, open together. Cross, open step. You know the mambo. A samba, I mean, not the mambo. All right, that was a tough one. Let's do it a little bit faster. I think it's easier to do faster. So we've got the right leg free. We're going to go and 1, 2, no, not and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Nice little bouncy there. Let's do it again. We have tap, step, heel, step, cross, step, heel, step, tap, step, heel, step, cross, out, replace. All right, we've got our last 8 counts. Here we go. So we've got our weight on the left foot. We're going to cross over the right. We're going to take the left back. We're going to do a coaster step, coaster step. We're going to do step, a pivot to face 12. Then we're going to do a chase pivot step, step, pivot, step. That's your chase. Step, pivot, step is your chase. So, this last 8 counts go across the right over, back, left. Coaster with the right. Step forward on the left, a pivot, and then a step forward on the left, pivot, chase. Counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Should we do it all? We'll do it all once, very slowly. That's the whole 48 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, mambo. A half, a quarter, a behind, side, front. Ball rock, recover, step, tap, step, point, pivot, step, pivot, cross. Rock, recover, behind, side, front. Rock, recover, behind, quarter step, step, pivot, lock it back, coaster, step, step, pivot. Tap and heel and cross and heel and tap and heel and cross, samba. Cross, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, chase. Ooh. That's wall 1. All right, let me do wall 2 with you now. So I start facing you. And I go walk, walk, mambo. We take over the left shoulder a half, left shoulder a quarter, behind, side, front. Rock, recover, step, tap, step, point, step, and across. Rock, recover, behind, side, front. Rock, recover, behind, quarter step. Step, pivot, lock it back, coaster, step, pivot. Tap and heel and out and heel and in and heel and cross, samba. Cross, back, coaster, step, pivot, chase. So now I'm back on wall 3. Guess what happens on wall 3? We have a restart. So we do everything on wall 3. We get to this bit, step, pivot, and back, coaster, and step, pivot. And that's the end of the 32 counts where we do the restart. So a restart here is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Tap and heel and cross and heel and in and heel and samba. That is 40 counts. We restart right here. So wall 4 has a restart after those 40 counts. Now we're going to do wall 5, which has a restart after 32 counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And a quarter behind, side, front. And tap in and point, step, take it across. Rock, recover, behind, side, front. Rock, recover, behind and pivot around, hop back, and coaster, step, pivot. That's our restart right there. That's wall 5 done, and we have our restart after 32 counts. Same restart, wall 3, wall 5, 32 counts. Now we just do wall 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right. Very good. I think we went through it and the restarts. So everybody enjoy, check out the demo of it. Come back, learn it a little bit more thoroughly. Don't forget, press the little cog. You can change the speed. You can stop, pause anytime, go over, rewind. And thank you for coming to my channel to learn with me. It means a lot to me. And I'd love it if you could subscribe if you'd like my teaching. And like, subscribe, comment, and share. Those are the things I wanted to say. All right.